In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the perfect stock screener using TradingView. If you're looking to streamline your stock analysis process, this guide is the perfect starting point. Whether you're new to TradingView or simply looking to enhance your screening abilities, follow along as we break down each step. First, let's head over to TradingView's website. TradingView is an incredible tool for tracking all markets and is an essential platform for traders who want to stay on top of market trends. Once you're on the home page, you'll find a range of options to explore, but for our purposes, let's direct our attention to the top menu. Next, look for the Products menu. Hover over it and you'll see a drop-down list. From there, you'll select Screeners and then choose Stocks. This is where you start to customize your stock criteria to build a screener tailored to your needs. It's important to remember that your screener will be as effective as the parameters you set, so choosing wisely is key. Now, once you've entered the Stocks section, it's time to get a bit more specific. Take a moment to examine the options available on your screen. You will see different filters that can be applied to your stock selections. Here, select Highlight to bring attention to certain features or metrics that are crucial to your analysis. From here, let's narrow it down further by country. Click on USA if you're focusing on the US stock market. This will filter out stocks from other regions and allow you to focus solely on a market you might be more familiar or comfortable with. Keep in mind that expanding or narrowing your search parameters can significantly impact the scope and focus of your analysis, so adjust accordingly based on your strategic needs. Moving on, the next step is to refine your search criteria even further. Again, click on Highlight. This is a flexible option that allows you to adjust the emphasis on certain stocks, helping you to scan and sort through potential options faster. Tailoring your screener means you spend more time on decision making and less on sifting through irrelevant data. Finally, if you're specifically interested in large cap stocks, look for the 200B filter. Clicking on this option will narrow down your list to companies with a market capitalization of $200 billion or more. Large cap stocks often represent firms with a solid and stable growth trajectory, making them attractive for certain investment strategies. And there you have it, a well-crafted stock screener on TradingView designed to save you time and improve the efficiency of your stock analysis. Remember that the power of a stock screener lies in its customization, so don't hesitate to tweak and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching and happy trading.